have two tabletops, which are right there, and I'm welding up some 2x2 by 3/16 inch pipe. That's the top section. It's going to have a shelf. This is another one that's already finished out. Welds aren't too bad. Anyway, it's very heavy, and here are the legs. The shelf units, all 3/16 2x2. Anyway, to get it nice and square so that it's completely flat and level, I use these levelers here. You can make these out of nuts and bolts and a pipe, but these adjust up and down, and you use a level to completely level this out. Once you've roughly gotten the right angles, then just like cutting slabs out of a tree trunk, you place two crossbars, both like that, and you shoot a line across both sides. And when they're both sides are level, well then, of course, you've gotten what you want. Again, you adjust here, up and down, to square it out. Pretty cool. Okay, here we have the clamps set up for the legs. I've already have one leg tacked together. I'm duplicating it here. Okay, these are all tacked together. Here we are tacking the fasteners to the legs. The legs have not been welded yet, but we're attaching the fasteners. So we can drill holes and remove the legs when need be. This here is to square. Then we will break the tack welds off here and pull that whole thing off after drilling holes.
Your love gets sweeter every day. Your love gets And when you